Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cabin recording. To enable cabin recording, firstly let's go to settings. Scroll right until you see in F and in R recording. These are indicators for indoor front and indoor rear recording. Enter it to switch it between on or off. To manage rear recording, you have to connect rear camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.